Why space? Hi, I'm Mackenzie Myers, and I'm here to tell you why space is so important. Space tourism consists of entering another realm of life where the natural instincts of a human being are contradicted by the laws of gravity. Space exploration is essential to human life and its success and existence itself. The impact it has on mankind, it brings answers and research to provide answers to questions that we all have. It expands information regarding human nature and overall further advances universal knowledge. The benefits we get from it: research and documentations that permanently alter the perception of life, such as planet livelihood. We wouldn't even know what planets existed today if there wasn't any such thing as space exploration. Black holes and where they come from, how they're directed into space. All sorts of advancements of technology. Wireless headsets are very surprising, but those definitely came from space exploration. The act of traveling to space can be quite dangerous, as the weightlessness is harmful to the human body, and there's a significant amount of long-term effects deriving from this. Although it can be harmful, space exploration cannot harm the environment or anybody who does not sacrifice themselves. Exploring into space fulfills the natural drive humans obtain to seek the unknown and find answers to prolonging questions. There's also shuttles that are sent out into space that constantly stream data, and this is a way to avoid humans having to sacrifice themselves and go into space. Overall, space tourism gives us vital information about the human species that has been conducted from space exploration and research. The further scientific research is pushed and examined within space, the more knowledge and understanding of the world we're given. Thank you.